Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So I received few messages in Instagram like the actual count in their Instagram post is not matching. For example, if they have a zero post in Instagram account but it is showing one post to their followers, or if they have uh, uh, 20 posts in Instagram but it is showing just 15 posts to your followers. So basically this is a Instagram glitch. If you are facing this problem, you don't have to worry about this. This is a Instagram glitch. Like nothing can fix this. Only a thing you can try is you can update your Instagram application. Maybe the Instagram team can fix this with the help of update, and this can be fixed only if they are going to check it manually. So I will suggest you to go and report a problem, take a screenshot and report a problem, so that I will suggest you to do a multiple report and keep checking for a new update. Only this can help you. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.